Ever used public Wi-Fi, clicked a shady link, or plugged in a random USB? You might already be hacked in either of the following hacker tactics. The first one in this list is phishing attacks. Fake emails from your bank, Amazon, or even your boss tricking you into giving away your login info. Here's a real login page and here's a fake one. Be cautious. Phishing equals password theft. Secondly, public Wi-Fi traps. That free Wi-Fi could be a trap. Hackers can set up fake hotspots and monitor your every move. Third, USB drop attacks. A lost USB drive found. Wait, don't plug it in just. It could have malware just waiting to be installed. Spyware inbound. The fourth one is malicious apps. Major red flag. Spy app detected. That's not what I signed up for. Fifth, multi-factor authentication MFA bombing. Hackers can spam your phone with two-factor authentication requests until you accidentally hit allow. It's a real hack and it works. Here's an example. Be careful. MFA bypass trick. Sixth, browser hijacking. Browser extensions or fake updates can hijack your tabs and track your behavior. The last but not the least tactic that hackers might use is keylogging software. Keyloggers can silently record everything you type, passwords, messages, even bank info. These are common ways hackers trick you into installing malware, but we do have prevention mechanisms. Stay safe with the following safety mechanisms. First, strong and unique passwords. Use long, complex passwords with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords. Use a password manager. 2. Stay secure. Second, enable two-factor authentication to FA. Add an extra layer of protection beyond just a password. Use apps like Google Authenticator or SMS codes to verify your identity. Third, install and update antivirus software. Protect your devices from viruses, malware, and spyware. Keep your antivirus up to date for the latest threat protection. Fourth, and the last in this list of prevention mechanisms, is avoiding suspicious links and downloads. Never click unknown links or download files from shady sources. These are some of trick help you stay safe. Knowledge is power. Stay informed and stay safe. Protect before you regret. Now share this video with your friends and family. Keep your circle safe. Subscribe to Get.TechAcad for weekly CyberGuard tips and stay informed in the fight against cyber threats. Together we can make a difference. Thanks for watching. See you.